About some new stuff. $99 for this set. They are on buy one get one free. Do have a bigger mower. What to buy at the Home Depot. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like and the bell icon so we can make virtual review of videos so you guys won't miss any of the latest and greatest deals. Alright, talking about this, if you guys haven't seen this, but they do have a bigger mower. This is it right here. That's the quick comparison to the other one. This is a much bigger unit. This is for a bigger size yard. So that is it right there. $17.99 for a 30-inch mower. And here is the clearance items. Not a whole lot, just a few extensions. Then they got these on clearance. These are the rechargeable lights. $6.33 down from $24. So these are not bad, guys. Pretty good deal. And they also still have these deals. The tumblers, the brand new tumblers, they are on buy one get one free still. You get a free base, twist lock blade base. You can screw that onto pretty much anywhere. And then you got the packout. Yes, you spend up to $250, get an organizer for $1. You can choose mix and match any of these. This is the new packout lights. This is the M12 $149. This is the smaller box. Does come with some nice organizers. I do prefer packout, by the way. That's what I have at the house, and I use for my tools and stuff like that. So this is a slim organizer. This is going to be the lower tier, and then you got the upper tier, which is the bigger organizer, the 250. And then you got the tumblers. Some people are saying that the black tumbler, it's around $8. So keep an eye out for that one, because that's a pretty good deal, guys. And talking about some new stuff, now this is one of the newer chargers that the Dewalt Tough System has. It is a built-in charger, and it is compatible with the Tough System. And it's a dual port charger, so make sure you guys keep an eye out on that one. I do not have the price. I'll see if I can get the price and put it up there for you guys. $19.97 for your choice, any of these. This is the magnetic 25-footer. You got the straight jaw pliers. This is a pack of 2. It is the 6-inch and the 10-inch with rubber grips. You got $9.97 for the pack of 4 ratchet tie downs, 12-footers. So these are not the longest, but they do work for most of the cargo, for a normal size cargo. You got buy 2 of those on the top, you get a free starter kit with the worth about $199. So that's actually a pretty good deal if you want to get the radio and the vacuum. Those are the newer items. The other ones are still pretty good if you don't have them. So mix and match and get that is a vacuum there at the bottom. I do apologize for the frame, not the clearest. $199. This is the lower tier. $199 will get you a free tool. The impact driver is one of the newer ones, and the vacuum it is worth getting that one as well. So this is the upper tier for $199. This is a 2-pack of 6 amp hour batteries. The rocket light, the blower. That is a brand new blower, guys. That is a 500 CFM blower, or 450 CFM blower. My bad. You got a whole bunch of tools to choose from. Those are all what's left on this store. And then, yes, this is a free item if you buy any of the lights, any of the rubber lights. This is the top off. I do personally recommend that one. That one's pretty good. So yeah, you got the packout 18-volt light and charger at $199. The rubber light $149, or $149 for the other light there. But yeah, you have your choice of the top off or that battery. I would definitely recommend that top off for you guys. You got the 3/8 ratchet for $129. You got impact driver, drill driver, two tool combo kit for $119. That is great for a gift, or somebody just wants some lighter tools for lighter duty work. But still, it is Milwaukee, so pretty good brand there. And then you got these, the newer radio. That is the newer radio, $149. That's something that we haven't seen. We've seen it before, but it's a newer item. All right, so you got the buy one get one free from the Ryobis. So this is you can buy the $199 kit with 3 batteries. These are HP batteries. These are the better batteries from the Ryobi, and any of these tools do qualify for a free gift. So circular saw, you got the 3-inch cutoff, hammer drill. Looks like the nail gun, guys, and the pruner. So impact wrench. That's the pruning shears, valued at $149. And then you got the impact wrench there, and then the hammer drill to the right. Circular saw. So there's a whole bunch of tools you guys could choose from. Definitely recommend that, especially if you're on this line. That is the circular saw. That is the nailer, the 18 gauge brand nailer that is promoted with this discount, or with this buy one get one free. Same thing with this vacuum. It is eligible, but it's already sold out, as you guys see. All right, so this is the lower tier. This is a cheaper version of that. So you can any of these tools will do qualify for that. I do recommend you guys get the jigsaw, the oscillating tool, or the reciprocating. So those are the higher end tools. Those are the most expensive ones if you look at the prices. They're $79 a piece. The other ones are a little bit cheaper. You're just saving about $10, $20 on it. But definitely recommend it for the batteries as well. So, and then you got the scrubber. This is a really nice scrubber. Definitely recommend it for cleaning. And then you got this nailer. If you don't want to do the buy one get one free, you can just buy the nailers by itself, $109, or the extra Airstrike 16 gauge. All right, and you got some sprayers here. Paint sprayers, $94 and $139. Let's look at them a little bit closely. This is the paint. This is the Flexio 2500 or 2500. And then you got the control stainer for $350. So different products. And then they got these on sale, guys. This is actually pretty nice deals. $299 for the blower, $349 for the blower and string trimmer, $249 for the string trimmer. They got the buy one get one free. This is the newer buy one get one free. This is still for the Father's Day deals. You spend $169 for the 2 battery and charger. You get a free tool. And then you got the kits. Not a buy one get one free, but you do have impact driver and drill driver. Different tiers on it. You got top tier $299, bottom tier $129, and then you got the table saw here at the bottom for $499. Not too bad. And then this is $399. All right, so this is the starter kit that you have to buy. So you guys, it does qualify for a free tool. This is $169, which is not a bad deal. This is actually a pretty good deal. This is one of the tools that does qualify for that. So this is $169 for the circular saw, 7 1/4 circ saw. And then you got a reciprocating saw here for $169. That is qualifying for that free tool as well. All right, so $179 for this 21 degree 3.5 frame and nailer. You got impact driver, drill driver for $159, and then a starter kit for $179. All starters are right here, by the way, because the other one's actually cheaper and you get a free tool. Just FYI. All right, you got digital inflator, $59, and then $159 for the brand nailer. You got the fan. This is Jobsite fan for $59. Keep a close eye on this one, because this one does have, yes, it's you're able to plug in an extension cord on that one. $99 for this set, which is not a bad deal even for a pro that's on a budget. Pretty nice, not too bad. But I do recommend you guys get at least the Bridget or the Husky, the better version of the Husky. All right, so more Husky tools. This is $14.88 for the 2-pack of 25 footers. And then you got 18-piece continuous drive ratcheting screwdriver set. So not bad on these. These are pretty nice. It's kind of like a Fat Max style. And you got the ratcheting screwdriver set there. Pretty nice. $14.97 for the utility blades. There's different kinds of blades you guys could choose from. They're all $14.97. There's just different counts. Starting here to the left, we got the serrated edge, and then we got the hook utility blades, and then you got the heavy duty drywall blades. So, and that is the 100 count. All right, $7.97 for the folding lockback utility knife. It does include some blades as well. 10-pack. So pretty decent deal on this one. $16.97 for the 3-in-1 staple gun combo kit with 1,000 staples. And these are 3/8. $19.97 and $29.97 for the 24-piece 1/4-inch or 3/8 socket and wrench sets. Not too bad on these. This is the bigger set because it is the 3/8. And then they still got the new bags, guys. These are pretty nice totes, bags, whatever. I've gone over them in the past, but you got the large, medium, and small. And then you got the prices there on the top. So pretty decent deals on those. And then they got the 3-piece pliers in red sets. $17.97, $12.97 for the 6-in-1 8-inch multifunction pliers. That's it for today. Just a short video. What to get to at the Home Depot. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like and the bell, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.